I'm excited about that testimony of 5 consistent years and favor rolling in and out. You don't determine your due date for payment. The organization determines your due date. Not excuse me, I need to get my money now. You can't get your money. There's a due date that the authority has in his hand. Ecclesiastes 11, verse 3. If the clouds be full of rain, they empty themselves upon the earth. Until our cloud is full, our rainfall is not in view. So filling the cloud is our responsibility. Opening the windows of heaven for the outpour of rain is his responsibility. Yes, we have drops of mercy here and there to keep us warm. But the downpour will not come until our cloud is full.